Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is the first combination of hypercars with ultra-luxury housing. The limited edition RV is for progressive collectors, celebrities, and billionaires. A luxury, performance, and design masterpiece. Performance and powertrain. Other motorhomes sacrifice comfort for performance, but not the 2026 Bugatti. Bugatti's powertrain and carbon aluminum monocoque chassis are used. Quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 hybrid. It has 1,200 plus horsepower, 1,100 pound-feet of torque, and a safety-limited 155 miles per hour top speed. With a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the camper can reach 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, a first for its all-wheel drive. The carbon ceramic brakes, active aerodynamics, and unique adjustable air suspension give this RV great speed and stability. Moving mansion interior. The cabin honors French workmanship with cutting-edge technology and luxury formerly found in private jets and mega yachts. Stylish lounge biometric access, retractable table, mood lighting, 65-inch rollaway OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, panoramic electrochromic ceiling with starry effect, bespoke crystal bar with champagne cooler, and hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim. Walk-in wardrobe with automatic lighting and humidity control. Mirror-finished walls with concealed smart screens. Full-width king-size bed with memory foam and silk linen. A luxury kitchen has an aroma diffuser, automated blackout curtains, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, and Gaggenau appliances such as a microwave, smart refrigerator, and induction cooktop. 4-person collapsible dining table. Wine preservation system and espresso machine heated floor, smart glass privacy walls, a waterfall and steam shower with mood lighting, a bidet toilet with gold accents, and a touchscreen mirror for skincare and media are in the spa-level restroom. Intelligent systems and technologies 5G, plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays. AI-powered smart control system, Bugatti Life, for voice and app interaction. Solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup. Complete automation for leveling, water, energy, and concierge. Facial recognition entry. Excellent security and features. Low-speed automated parking and city navigation. 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection. Med drone alert and emergency health monitoring. Engine and cabin fire suppression. Target audience ideal for luxury brands. Worldwide campaign influencers. VIP globe tours. Red carpet events. Hypercar collectors. And billionaires seeking unique mobile luxury. Prices might reach $5 million to $8 million or more, depending on customization. Only 5 fully customized devices are expected worldwide.